Photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis can be separated into two smaller words. Photo, which means light. Synthesis, which means putting together. Plants need food, but they do not have to wait on people or animals to provide for them. Most plants are able to make their own food whenever they need it. This is done using light, and the process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. What is needed for photosynthesis? To make food, plants need all of the following: carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Let's take a look at how these are collected by plants. Carbon dioxide from the air passes through small pores or holes in the leaves. These pores are called stomata. Water is absorbed by the roots and passes through vessels in the stem on its way to the leaves. Sunlight is absorbed by a green chemical in the leaves. What happens during photosynthesis? The photosynthesis process takes place in the leaves of plants. The leaves are made up of very small cells. Inside these cells are tiny structures called chloroplasts. Each chloroplast contains a green chemical called chlorophyll, which gives leaves their green color. Chlorophyll absorbs the sun's energy. It is this energy that is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is released from the leaves into the atmosphere. Hydrogen and carbon dioxide are used to form glucose or food for plants. Some of the glucose is used to provide energy for the growth and development of plants, while the rest is stored in leaves, roots, or fruits for later use by plants. Photosynthesis occurs in two stages commonly known as light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. What does photosynthesis produce? Photosynthesis is important because it provides two main things: food and oxygen. Some of the glucose that plants produce during photosynthesis is stored in fruits and roots. This is why we are able to eat carrots, potatoes, apples, watermelons, and all the others. These foods provide energy for humans and animals. Oxygen that is produced during photosynthesis is released into the atmosphere. This oxygen is what we breathe, and we cannot live without it. While it is important that photosynthesis provides food and oxygen, its impact on our daily lives is far more extensive. Photosynthesis is so essential to life on Earth that most living organisms, including humans, cannot survive without it. All of our energy for growth, development, and physical activity comes from eating food from plants and animals. Animals obtain energy from eating plants. Plants obtain energy from glucose made during photosynthesis. Our major sources of energy, such as natural gas, coal, and oil, were made millions of years ago from the remains of dead plants and animals, which we already know got their energy from photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is also responsible for balancing oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis.